Hello friends. Would you like to create web automation bots or software on your own? But you also don't like to waste your time in learning any language? Then, stop searching. In this class, we will learn no-code software creation for web automation. We are Automaxed, your instructor for this UBot Studio class. What is UBot Studio? Actually, it is a desktop application. With the help of this tool, you can automate any website and create bots for that website that perform all your daily repeated tasks you want to do manually. And believe me, it saves a lot of time. The best thing about UBot Studio is that you don't have to learn any language. Yes. This application allows you to create standalone software by using drag and drop method. You can start your own software company or software creation business. You can start with the help of UBot Studio. Yes, we have been using this tool since 2016. You can make a good living out of it if you want to create and sell bots for clients. This is our beginners UBot Studio class. You will learn to create no-code bots using drag and drop method. No time wasting in theories, we will be learning directly by sitting on the driver's seat with practical examples. After this class, you can create your own web automation bots using UBot Studio. We will try our best to make things as simple as we can, so everyone can understand. We will also provide source code so that you can practice at your end. In the end of the class, you will be making a bot for scraping data from Google search result pages using any keywords. Don't have UBot Studio? Ask us, we will help. Cut your learning time, jump in and get started.